Today I'm going to show you how to modify quizzes with differentiated release conditions in Canvas. First, launch your course. Now you can find quizzes in two separate places. You could click on assignments and find them there in your quiz section if you've already set that up, or you can go to the left-hand menu and select quizzes. Now I'm going to show you two different ways to change some settings on the quizzes. First, let's go to week 1 quiz. And then I want you to select Edit. So this just takes me to a very similar page as my assignments, where you can edit some things here. But let's just say I need a student to have an extra week. Go ahead and click on Assign to assign that to a specific person. In this case, I'm going to assign it to Demo Student. Since my original due date was April 5th, I would like to give my student an extra week. So their due date is on April 12th. Then I can select Save. When I go back to my quiz page, you can now see that I have multiple dates available. But there is another way to change some settings on this quiz, and that's by selecting this Moderate this Quiz button. So here you can see all of my students. Now you can see how many times they have attempted and their score. We gave Demo Student an additional week to complete, but what if I would like to select Test Student? Here I can change some things specifically for a student. Everybody already gets 1 attempt, but I would like to give Test Student 2 attempts. And now I'm going to give this student 60 extra minutes to complete. Then I can select Save. Now I can see that Test Student gets 60 extra minutes on each attempt and has 3 attempts left. And now when I go back to my quiz assignment, you can see the modifications that I've made. And that is how you quickly modify quizzes with differentiated release conditions in Canvas.